Hi friends, we just received these Timberland cushion crew socks. They come in a 6-pairs package. We like them because they are kind of this cushion concept. They're like really soft and nice. I use them with everything, with formal shoes and with tennis shoes, and I mean, they are great for any kind of use. Let me open them so you can see this. I like also this package because they come in different colors, kind of gray, blue, black, green, gray, and another kind of black. So I get a nice variety of colors for my socks. As you can see, they all say they have this Timberland logo in the front part, and they are really nice. And these are the socks that I like to use, and I like to order them directly here in Amazon. So let me open them all so you can see them. Different colors, different. I think they all are different. There are no two equals. Okay, there they are. These are kind of black both, but these ones have these lines here, so that makes them kind of different. Okay, great.